Hey guys, this is what I couldn't wait to tell you. Remember that Vogue catalog with all those beautiful, beautiful fabrics in? It's here. And the first one up on the list is this olive and black burnt out velvet designer fabric. Isn't it gorgeous? It's just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. This fabric is a semi-sheer knit. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. And this is the only fabric that I will show that's going to have to be dry cleaned. The rest of them will be regular wash and low dry. Beautiful. This will make a nice blouse. Just gorgeous. See, you can see through it. It's a semi-sheer fabric. It's 80% rayon and 20% polyester. 100% cross grain and 60% stretch on the lengthwise grain. So you got a stretch and it's 58 inches wide. Like I said, everything is cold wash except for that first one that I showed you. So this is the back of the material, which is the black, and they saying don't be afraid to use that. You can use that side as well. This is what this is looking like. It'll make a nice jacket or sweater. It's stretched 70% crosswise and 50 lengthwise. And you can cold and wash it. It's polyester spandex and it's 49 inches wide. Nice fabric. So here's the next fabric that I ordered. It's called the Gamera Gold, the Supreme Techno Scuba Crepe fabric. It's 96% polyester. And 4% spandex. And this fabric is good, or you can use this as making leggings, pants, dresses, sweater sets. It's 60 inches wide and also can be cold. It's wrinkle free, wrinkle resistant, lightweight, good for traveling and making office garments. Very nice fabric. Now, like this one, this is really, really a nice fabric. Look at that. It's nice and smooth. It's called the Coffee Double-Faced Suede Knit Fabric. It's 95% polyester, 5% spandex, 60 inches wide. And it also can be washed in the machine. Very beautiful. Beautiful colors. And of course, with this, you have to use the nap layout. And it's called Coffee Double-Face Suede Knit. Nice fabric. And heavy. Nice and heavy. And next up is one of my favorites. I love rib knit. Rib knits are my favorite, one of my favorite knits. This is olive and black rib knit, moss and black abstract print. Nice for turtlenecks. 95% polyester, 7% spandex. Nice print. And it's 57 inches wide. See the ribs in that? beautiful. Nice, warm fabric. Makes a nice turtlenecks, tops. Beautiful. This is the other side. So next, here is my favorite, or one of my favorites again, because all of them are my favorites. This is corduroy. It's called the Pinwheel Stretch Corduroy. And it's 58 inches wide. Nice, beautiful color. You can cold wash and dry this. It has 15% stretch or crosswise. It's made of polyester, rayon, and lycra. And again, it is a stretch corduroy. And you have to use the nap layout for this. But the best thing about all these fabrics is that you don't have a cleaning bill. You can just throw these in the wash. They are such beautiful, beautiful fabrics and colors. Texture, the feel. Nice weight. This will carry you through the fall and winter. Just beautiful. And you have to use the nap layout, of course, for corduroy. This is how the back is looking of that. Nice, rich looking. And the last one that I have here is a Hunter double face suede knit fabric. Beautiful. Of course, you got to use the nap layout for this too. It's 95% polyester and 5% spandex, and it's 60 inches wide. 50% crosswise stretch and 15% lengthwise. Look just like suede, and both sides look the same. Isn't that just gorgeous? Beautiful. Just beautiful. So tell me in the comments which one is your favorite fabric, or if you have a favorite fabric, and what you would make out of each fabric. These are beautiful. I'm going to put I'm not going to wash these. I'm just going to put them in the cleaner so they can be clean. Just beautiful. I've been waiting and waiting and waiting for this to come in. Then I got it in, and it's been sitting